These cucumber margaritas might be the most refreshing cocktail I have ever tasted. Homemade cucumber juice is mixed with fresh lime juice and tequila and served over ice. Muddle some jalapeno and mint in the bottom of the glass and you're set for summer. Hey there, I'm Molly Thompson from What Molly Made. Welcome back to my kitchen where we make good food that makes you feel good too. And today, good cocktails. We're making one of my favorite cocktails, a cucumber margarita. It's lightened up by using agave as a sweetener. Let's start by making the fresh homemade cucumber juice. Cut them roughly into chunks and place them in a high-speed blender. Blend on high for about 2 minutes. When the cucumbers are pureed, strain the mixture through a nut milk bag, cheesecloth, or fine mesh strainer, whichever you have on hand is best. I prefer a nut milk bag because of how well it strains the pulp. You should end up with about 2.5 cups of cucumber juice. Add the cucumber juice to a pitcher or large cocktail shaker with 4 ounces or 1.5 cups of silver tequila and 4 ounces or 1.5 cups of triple sec. Silver tequila is the type of tequila you most often see in the grocery store or at a bar or a restaurant. Triple sec is an orange liqueur that's almost always used in a marg. It adds a citrus note to the drink that's so delicious. Next, squeeze the juice from 2 to 3 limes until it reaches 1/3 cup and add that to the shaker, then add 1/4 cup of agave. You can add more or less depending on how sweet you want your margaritas. Give that a really good shake or stir until it's completely combined. You can store this in the fridge for up to 3 days if you want to make them in advance. When you're ready to serve, rim a glass with a wedge of lime and dip the cup in kosher salt. We like to make ours fresh and spicy, so if you like that too, add 1 slice of fresh jalapeno and a few mint leaves to the bottom of the glass. Use a muddler or a back of a spoon to push down and muddle them in the bottom of the glass. This helps release the juices and aromas so they seep into the drink. Fill the cup with ice, then pour the prepared cucumber margaritas on top. Garnish with a slice of fresh cucumber and a sprig of mint and enjoy. Make these cucumber margaritas and I promise your friends and family will be asking for the recipe. I love that they're naturally sweetened and we're only using fresh, real ingredients. I hope you find this recipe as refreshing as we do. Drop a comment and let me know what you think. And check out this lightened up winter sangria with fresh citrus and red wine.